Tianjin Rocketis Hose Clamp Company, which is a specialized factory with over 20 years of focused experience in manufacturing premium exhaust clamps. Hose clamp is a specialized, heavy-duty fastener designed to create a secure, sealed connection between two pipes of different diameters or to join pipes that are slightly misaligned. It is composed of stainless steel band, carbon steel galvanized hex head bolts, nuts and aluminum pad wall. The normal package is small white box one piece, plus cotton plus pallet. We also provide customized package. We can print your logo and brand on the box and cotton according to your demand. We understand the exacting demands of high temperature, high vibration exhaust environments. Proven reliability, our clamps are engineered for superior tensile strength, corrosion resistance, and long-term performance. Uncompromising standards, from raw material selection, using high-grade stainless steel, to precision forging and final inspection, quality is controlled at every stage. If you are looking for a reliable partner for durable, high-performance lap joint exhaust clamps, look no further. Welcome to contact us.